Yeah. I even have it with me. We plugged it in to see if it works and if there's any dead pixels on it. I put it to 144 hertz. Holy crap. Big difference, dude. Big difference.
You have no life, I swear. Dang. Dang.
All I need is a graphics card for the display port to work, and then boom.
Dream.
Done.
Dream moment.
Dream? So where's
Dream
it?
moment. Oh.
We're at spawn.
Oh.
I just killed myself and came back. So we all meet up because it's like kind of far away.
I know where Logan is, I think. He's on top of a snow mountain.
I'm not there anymore.
No. There's a rat looking at me, dude.
I'm just gonna go this way.
I can't wait for Christmas, bro. That monitor is so nice.
Go here, go here. Look, Riley.
Bro, I don't want to go over
Logan's this way. Logan, this way.
I'm at spawn.
Oh. You should tell your mom to take it for a test drive.
Bro.
Travis, are you impatient?
No, dude.
Yeah, you are.
Dude, do you think I was being serious?
Yes.
Yeah, you're stupid.
Because you were serious about that yesterday. Mom, I'm a grown man. I should be able to get it now.
Yeah.
Christmas is less than a month away, actually. So close.
And plus, that's like the only thing I'm getting for Christmas anyway. I think I can wait.
Truly a
What's this purple thing hanging off the back of your neck?
It's just a texture.
Oh. Dang. What's up with everybody hitting me?
No, I hit Logan. I didn't hit you. Dang, it's night again already.
You think you're funny, don't you? Move, Riley. I'm trying to get a Logan card.
Alright, find me. Come here. Don't run. Don't run. Alright. Where are we living? I'd say that hole in the mountain's pretty good.
Really?
No.
Where'd you guys go?
Went the arch.
I'm basically dead. I have 2 hearts.
Okay, I'm a legit one hit. Stop.
Right here, and almost
Gonna do
no
it.
food. I say we find a village. First village we find, we live around that.
This place is actually pretty good to build.
This is cool.
Touch it, Travis. Go touch it.
Oh!
Almost freaking got me too.
I say we find a first village, live around that.
That's gonna take so long.
Anybody got some feed?
No.
Yes.
I don't. Yes!
Faggot.
Travis, he dropped some behind you. Travis, I can do it. I took it.
Actually blind.
I needed
I
that.
didn't see it.
Travis, hit one of these goats.
I'm good on that.
Wait,
Do they even do damage?
Riley
to
really
me?
thinks I'm dumb.
I don't know what they do.
is that a lava pool down there?
Wait, which one? Because I might have gotten it.
I think I died by that lava pool because I jumped in it.
Dude, the name tags do not like to show fun. Oh!
What?
Rip Riley. Oh my god, that's legit a straight drop.
It is a lava. Oh, it's not a lava pool. It's just a lava like thing. That monitor is so much bigger than I thought it would be.
I wish the name tags freaking showed further.
Moly.
That's one thing I want, like, is the name tags to show farther.
There's no difference in the name tags.
It's way up on that mountain. I don't even know where Logan went before he died. Oh, I see the lava he was looking at.
Wait, did they add horns in this game yet? Hit me, do it, hit me.
You're probably gonna have to hit it first.
No. It's just a random chance table. I'm gonna kill it. Ew.
I really want to punch you, Travis.
Yeah, I know you do.
I really wanted to
You
punch
can make that down there.
Oh, yeah?
You could.
Alright, are we doing it? I'll try this.
Yeah, don't do it.
You just gotta extend it a block or two. Watch out behind you! Now we can make it, Travis.
Yeah, cause you guys are way down on me.
Yeah. We gotta stick together to find that village.
Where's Brandon? Did he get it yet?
No.
Oh.
We just need to make beds.
I'm just trying to do it off the website.
I'm gonna
Bro,
die before
why?
I get there.
Just get it off Amazon, it's so much easier.
Get it off Amazon, it's way easier.
I don't really. Well, I don't have an Amazon account and
Make
my credit
one.
card.
Huh?
If you don't have a credit card, how are you gonna like get it off the web?
This credit card.
Oh, whose?
Mom.
Oh, I thought you said Daniel Ellswick's credit card. I was like, huh?
Go ahead, Travis. Jump. Where's
You can
Logan
make
go?
it, can you? It's right
Travis,
there.
you dumbass. Fucking stupid, I swear.
What? I was getting them running.
Dumbass
You ran.
pushed me off. He had to back up all the way. And you almost died. You were so close to that block. Where are you, Logan?
I was up here killing sheep.
Oh. We're down
Where did
here
I
now.
freaking
Trying to
die?
make beds.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
It's
I'm
a
gonna
zombie.
do it. I'm
Just
gonna
run.
do it.
I really want to find a village so I can start building or start scanning Instagram and chests to build the projects.
I'm gonna build the projects.
Where did you guys go?
Just jump down and then walk around and we're up on the cobblestone hill, like right where you jump down at. Oh,
There's one of them skelly bones.
Here's look. Hi! Mr. Shot. Yo, sick. All ocean.
Yo, sick all ocean, bro.
We can make boats and then travel across that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get this tree for a boat.
One of them scaly niggas down there.
Do you need one or two shovels for a boat?
You don't need any.
Or you don't?
I'm dead. I'm gonna probably die.
Travis.
Logan?
I don't know why you got in front of me when I was swinging a sword.
Trying to go dream mode on the skelly bone.
Well, the sword has an area of a range attack now. So it swept and hit you and the skeleton. That's a video clip. Travis Walker.